To your Unit 1 Persuasive Analysis assignment. I'm going to go over the directions and grading with you very quickly in this video. You want to read the essay on electric cars, which is included in your quiz. However, if you'd prefer the read aloud, there is a link to the audio. Then answer the questions below based on the passage, which we'll go over briefly. Be sure to hit both Go to Submit and Submit Quiz when you are ready to have your responses graded. The essay is Why Electric Cars Are the Future. You'll notice some of the information is highlighted as you're reading, but you can take notes on your own as you're reading or rereading through the essay. There are 6 paragraphs for this essay. Included is a works cited page, which gives you an example of proper MLA formatting. You can also find the original link to this particular essay. You'll notice that there are multiple choice questions in the quiz, each with only 3 answer choices. There are a total of 8 multiple choice questions with 3 answer choices on the quiz. The multiple choice questions will be graded automatically as you are, once you submit the quiz, the computer will score those for you. Your final question is a constructive response prompt, which will need to be graded by your teacher using the constructive response rubric. So you're welcome to use the pre-writing strategies, whether it's race, racer, races, or racers, whatever pre-writing graphic organizer your teacher uses for you in order to help you construct your response. You want to analyze the effectiveness of this essay. You'll do that with what you've been studying, all that great information in your brain through your studies, your practices, the activities and discussions in your class. You do not need any outside resources. No online research is required. This will just be between what you know and the text. You want to answer the question about whether or not you believe that electric cars are the wave of the future, as the author suggests. What in the passage would make you say yes or no? Use specific details from the passage in your explanation. Be sure to use the terms that you have learned about persuasion in your analysis: rhetorical devices, types of argument, tone, word choice, etc. So you already know that the author is going to suggest that electric cars are the wave of the future. Decide whether or not you think that the argument is valid, strong. Do you agree? Do you disagree? Why or why not? Make sure you're using specific examples right out of that essay and explain why they either make you believe that it is the wave of the future or why you feel like that maybe supporting detail is not an effective part of the argument. If you have any additional questions or concerns about your quiz or anything that you've been studying, make sure that you check with your teacher. Good luck!